In today's video, I'll show you how to add date range comparison indicators in Looker Studio. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Log into your account, then open the report where you want to compare data across different time periods. Choose the chart you want to work with. This can be a scorecard, time series chart, table, or area chart depending on how you want the comparison to appear. Once the chart is selected, look to the right side and open the Setup panel. Scroll down until you find the default date range section. Here, you'll see an option called Comparison Date Range. Click on it to reveal several comparison choices. You can select previous period to compare the current date range with the one just before it, or choose previous year to compare against the same period last year. If you want full control, use Fix to manually set a custom comparison range. For more dynamic reporting, the advanced option lets you define rolling comparisons like the last 7 or 30 days. After selecting your preferred option, click Apply to confirm the changes. Your chart will instantly update and display date range comparison indicators, making it easier to spot trends, growth, or declines over time. And that's it. You've successfully added date range comparison indicators in Looker Studio to enhance your reports and gain clearer insights. Happy analyzing!